It's my job day and I'm on my 8th week of tears. So I'll just prepare everything and show you how I enjoy myself. Disclaimer lang, I just wanna preface na hindi ako nagbebenta, hindi ako doktor. My friends are professionals, my relatives are professionals. Marami naman akong nakakausap regarding this. Hindi naman ako tipong nakita ko lang online and ginawa ko na lang siya at bumili na lang ako. The problem I've been noticing right now, simula na nag-start ako ng 5th to 7th week, is that medyo nag-slow down yung pag-lose ko ng weight. May time din na nadagdagan siya tapos bumaba ulit. It's not a miracle thing na papayat ka agad. Kailangan mo talagang samahan ng exercise if kaya mo, and then kailangan maging strict ka rin sa kinakain mo.